Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? Hope you had a great week last week. In this video, I want to talk about my analysis for Euro USD for the upcoming week. Um, and as usual, I'll be starting off with the weekly time frame, then going down to the 4 hour time frame where we take our entry. So first of all, in the last week, what I was expecting was a break above this level here, but that didn't happen. Rather, price bounced off and went down to the downside. And as of yesterday, price rejected massively to the upside, giving us forming this pin bar here on the weekly time frame. And this pin bar here is still an indication for me that price would continue to the upside, and that's what I'm expecting, which is what I was expecting last week as well. Um, and last week I only took bullish trades on gold on Euro USD, which happened towards the end of last week. Um, so what I'm expecting is for the bullish run to continue, for this level up here to be broken all the way to the trend line and to meet this resistance level over here. And that's where we'll see, we'll know clearly where price is heading to. If we go to the daily time frame, we can see that price is, was in this range for a while, kept rejecting off the upper and lower limit, and now price is heading back towards this upper level here. And like I said, this is where I'm expecting to see a price reaction. Um, I'm expecting to see price head break this upper limit here, get towards the trend line as well as this resistance level. And when price gets here, then it will be the determining factor. If price breaks it to the upside, comes back to retest it, then we know that we'll continue to buy these trades for a lot of pips. But if price gets to this upper limit here and breaks and forms a bearish reversal pattern, then we'll be taking our sell trade all the way to the downside. So again, this level still remains the most important area, and normally I don't trade the range, so I probably wouldn't be trading this range here until price gives us a breakout either to the downside or to the upside. If price it comes here again for this upcoming week and bounces off this level down here to this downside, then I'm waiting to see if price would bounce off this limit here, or if price would break this level here and continue all the way to this support level over here. And if price gets to the support level over here, then this is where we'll be looking to take our price reactions, either for a buy to the upside or a sell if price continues to break it all the way to the downside. Now, if we go to our daily time frame where we normally take our entry, on the 4 hourly time frame, sorry, where we normally take our entry, we can see that still in the range and price is heading towards that resistance level. Okay, so this resistance level here um will determine where we're going to take our entry from. I remember last week I was saying that this level here is our important limit, the upper and lower levels of this inside bar, and if price breaks it to the downside, then we'll take our sell trade all the way down, and that's exactly what happened. The next candle closed below that line. We're able to take our sell trades all the way down here, and again um we're expecting price to get into that level there, and we'll see how price reacts when it gets into that zone. So like I said, if price gets into the zone and forms a reversal pattern, then price could be coming all the way down, and you can capitalize on it if you want. But if price breaks this upper limit, then you should expect price to enter into this area here, where we would be looking to take our opportunities. Either if price breaks up above this level, then we would buy. But if price gives us a bearish signal here, then we'll sell to the downside. And again, if price forms a bearish signal here, you can take your sell trade all the way down to this level here, or to this weekly support area. So that's what I'm looking at for Euro USD. I don't have any strong directional bias at this moment, but we'll just be reacting of these areas that I have pointed out. And whatever reaction we get, that will determine the sort of trade we will take. So I'll just say be patient, wait for price to get to these zones that I've marked. And if price gives us the bearish signal, we sell. If price gives us the bullish signal, and we buy. So just take note of this area in the upcoming week. Um, so, and if price gets there, then you can day trade and take your trade to the downside. That will give us a good risk to reward ratio as well. On that particular trade, we can get up to about 100 pips on that move. And even if there is a break to the upside, we can still get at least 50 pips on that move as well. I hope this video has been very helpful for you. If it has, kindly leave a like. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel to help us grow. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next analysis video. Peace.